अलायंस बिजनेस कनेक्ट मीटिंग का आयोजन 28 मार्च को होटल निहारिका में संपन्न किया गया। आइए हमारे चैनल के माध्यम से देखते हैं ये मीटिंग कैसा रहा।
Members should give at least reasons for being absent, and one can't have more than 3 absent in 3 months, and no continuous 2 absence. In case of more than 3 absent in a quarter, his or her category will be made open, and subsequently he or she will be removed from the chapter. In case of absence due to some emergency, members should send their substitute. Members must bring at least 2 visitors in each quarter for the growth of the chapter. Dress code should be followed and should be formals only. And head board should be informed about absent 1 day prior unless there is an extreme medical emergency. All members and their guests should be punctual for the meeting and try to reach by 6:30 p.m. to enable proper networking. While giving their 45-second presentation, a member should restrict to his or her information about the category he or she is inducted into. Even during the meeting, he or she should not talk about any other category except the inducted category.
Made effective from April 2025 that new member will be required to pay 4,800 instead of 9,600.
On myself, Sangeeta Ganeriwala, on behalf of Kimi Sharda, chapter treasurer cum member host, my role is to manage finance of the chapter. Merit points: 1 1-1 5 points, 1 referral 5 points, visitors 10 points, 1 business close 10 points, 1 corporate meeting 50 points, 1 new member induction 50 points, 1 1-1 conclave 100 points, 1 KYM 100 points.
If I give business to the members of my group, in return they will give business to me. ABC East One Group set a goal of 60 strong members generating 50 lakhs of business per month. Vision of our ABC East One is rupees 50 lakh per seat value per member and about 60 members by June 2025. Now I would...
Richa Musadi, an interior designer. Good evening ABC, I am Neeta Das and I am working with Tata AIA Life Insurance.
My name is Kamal Khattar and I am representing my company, Kamal & Company.
It is a way of feeling, of touches, of loving. What you have caught on film is captured forever. It's remember little thing, long affair, you have forgotten everything. Hi, this is Sanjay from Fusion Photography. Our main use is candid photography and our team always trying to capture your emotion.
Good evening everyone. Myself Nayan Mukherjee, your stockbroking partner for this chapter.
Year has come to end and so the compliances are required to meet on time for GST, Companies Act, Income Tax and all other applicable laws. Connect to me for any advisory and consultancy. I am Meenu Tulsian, practicing company secretary and GST consultant.
Archana Patodia from Ayushi Collection deals in all types of imitation jewelry.
This is Sumit Sabu representing my 15-year-old real estate company Sabu Realtors.
And Rakesh Jaiswal, owner of famous homestay Gangabetan Abode. Apart from homestay, I am developing a riverside bungalow project and 2 resorts in partnership. To know more, do 1-to-1.
Myself Gyanvi representing IJK Solutions. We are
Arnab Adhikari representing our farm Manav Shawjali on behalf of Mr. Samal Kumar Patil.
My name is Rajapal representing my company SRK Automation.
Bineet Bhatt from Bineet Satyam Catering.
Anurag Tiwari, company Ganpati Decor, category furnishing and decor. गौर फरमाइए, किरदार की दुनिया दीवानी है, मकबूल ये सारी कहानी है, आसमान भी सजदे करता, जज्बा भी तूफानी है, जिसके नाम के चर्चे गूंजे सारे एबीसी में, आ रहा है मैदान में, ईमान बह रहा हो जब धमनियों में सारी, तो क्या रोकेगी उसे तलवार और कटारी, अधर्मियों का जंगल धू धू कर जल उठेगा, बारूद के इस ढेर में पड़ गई चिंगारी, खुद को संभाल ले अब बैठे हैं जो गुमान में, आ रहा है मैदान में. Thank you. Signing off, Anurag Tiwari.
Puttar category general insurance. I do all the policies of general insurance.
Proud General Family, company name Proud Export, dealing in cotton scarves, silk scarves, wool scarves.
सेल्फ एलआईसी आदित्य कसेरा. क्या आप जानते हैं अगर आप 31 मार्च से पहले एलआईसी की पॉलिसी लेते हैं तो आपको 2024-25 का पूरा बोनस मिलेगा. बेहतर रिटर्न और सुरक्षित भविष्य के लिए आज ही निवेश करें. 31 मार्च का इंतजार न करें. ज़्यादा जानकारी के लिए संपर्क करें आपका दोस्त एलआईसी आदित्य कसेरा.
I am Pururaj from the Eco Urban, a brand dedicated to sustainable, eco-friendly office stationery. We are into recycled and plantable products such as newspaper pencils, seed pencils, bamboo pens, plantable notebooks, bookmarks, calendars and more.
सुमित साबू ने कहा शीशा के सामने रुपया रखिए और रुपया डबल दिखेगा. तो रुपया वहां से भी डबल दिखेगा। और हमारे से अगर कोई गाड़ी का काम कराते हैं, वी अश्योर यू वॉट एवर द कंपनी कोट यू, हमारे यहाँ 50% लेसर में काम होगा, तो रुपया ऑटोमेटिकली डबल दिखेगा। साइनिंग ऑफ आतिश मकड़ी फ्रॉम कार्स।
Myself Sajan Agarwal, your Vastu advisor. So if you are planning to buy any property, whether it is land, flat, bungalow or an office or a godown or a warehouse, do connect with me because I can help you to select the right property. Thank you.
Good evening ABC, myself PT Mantri representing my brand Desi Videsi. It's a one-stop solution for all your food cravings. In case if you do have any requirement for pure veg catering, or if you want to make somebody feel special, to send them the food hampers, please get back to me. Thank you.
Devon Mundra from Thakur Corporate Consultant Private Limited. More in my future presentation.
Good evening, I'm Sangeeta Ganeriwala and I deal in bed sheets. When it comes to transforming your bedroom into a heaven of tranquility and style, there's one item that plays a starring role, your bed sheets.
Good evening members. Are you planning to purchase a new property? And you expect that you make the right choice according to the layout, shapes, direction, energy level. I, Rajiv Sikri, Vastu and Feng Shui consultant, can help you in selection of the good plot.
Good evening friends. Myself Satish Lakotia from Larika Estates Limited, your real estate partner. We are in the business of affordable housing. Thank you.
Das.
Ms. Veenu Tulsian and from last week Ms. Sweetie Mantri as well. Thank you.
Mr. Rakesh ji and one-to-one done with Mr. Nayan ji.
Nayan, Mr. Devendra ji or Mr. Sumit Sahu. Thank you.
Mukherjee ji, business pass to Ashish Tata ji, 1.5 lakh. Thank you.
One done. Rahul ji, 1 reference received. Nayan ji, business given rupees 51 lakhs and more to follow. Himanshu ji, 1 reference received. Narendra ji, 1 reference received. Rishi ji, 2 reference given. Business to close on coming Monday soon.
One-to-one done with Rakesh Jaswal.
Done with Rahul ji at his office.
One done with Atish Makharia ji and business given 8,000.
2 one-to-ones. Business given to Neeraj ji, Bajoria ji and Atish ji. Thank you.
Good evening ABC. 2 one-to-ones done, one with Surinder ji and one with Rakesh Jaswal ji. 2 referrals received from Rakesh ji, business to be coming soon.
From April 25, we have announced the name of the incoming head board. President Mr. Atish Makharia. Vice President Mr. Sumit Sahu. Secretary Mrs. Vivi Raja, not present today. Joint Secretary Mrs. Veenu Tulsian. Treasurer Sangeeta Ganeriwal. Joint Treasurer Mr. Aditya Kasera. New team will be taking charge from first meeting of April 25, and I have something to say. I enjoyed my tenure. I think for 2 years, बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया. But I expect the same to be repeated over there. या इतना कंपटीशन हो जाए कि 6 महीने बाद 4 आदमी खड़े हो जाएं कि हम लोग को लेना है. We want that sort of competition in ABC. And my best wishes to all of you for taking up the charge, at least relieving us from this. And now over to Mr. Rajiv Shetty. My company's name is Sagun Corporate Consultant Private Limited. We are having experience of more than 30 years. I'm managing a portfolio of around 5,500 crores and having more than 400 MSME for whom we are doing on regular basis business. We have got a team of around 8 to 10 people, including my son, who is also IIM pass out, and focuses. Our basic focus is on large corporates, mid corporates, and HNI customers. Myself, a little bit about myself. बोल देना चाहिए, पता नहीं. I am a technical graduate from Jadavpur University with alumni of IIM Trichy, having experience of 25 years in financial circle. Leads a team of around 10 people having more than 10 years experience, and we are into financial services pertaining to only loans. आगे सब करते थे लेकिन अभी simply loans कर रहे हैं. Services which we offer: home loan, education loan, loan against property, working capital, bank guarantee, letter of credit, equipment and machinery finance, lease rental discounting, project finance, CG asset processing. स्मार्ट मीटर का काम करते हैं, ये काफ़ी बड़ा मतलब कि इनका है, इनका जितना भी मीटरिंग अभी हो रही है स्मार्ट मीटर की हो रही है, वो स्मार्ट मीटर की मीटरिंग चेंज हो रही है एंड इट्स रनिंग इनटू crores and they are getting good business out of it. Dishti Powertech LLP, this is a company which is into TVS scooters and all this, bikes वगैरह का है. शिवम फार्मा लिमिटेड, कैंसर स्पेशलिस्ट, कैंसर ड्रग स्पेशलिस्ट. ये कैंसर की जितनी भी कलकत्ता में इंडिया में मतलब वेस्ट बंगाल में सप्लाई होती है, दे आर डूइंग द कैंसर ड्रग्स. एंड कैपन इंडिया लिमिटेड, दे आर इनटू इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. जितने पावर प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं वो उनके हैं, मतलब पावर प्रोजेक्ट में उनका कंडक्टर्स का सप्लाई है और वहाँ ओवरहेड्स प्रोवाइड का वो करते हैं. Yes, my contact details are there. 90% of you are all are knowing about my contacts, and now I am coming to the other part. Presentation हो गया. Mr. Malakar as new incoming. Mr. Rakesh Jaiswal. And कैसा दुगना दिखाने के लिए सुनिश्चित हो.